Welcome. Are your Excel sheet filled with messy extra spaces that ruin your formulas, formatting, or reports? Whether it's space before text, trailing gaps, or unwanted spaces between words, don't worry. In this video, I will show you 3 powerful ways to clean up your data in seconds and make your spreadsheets look clean, professional, and ready for action. So let's start. Here you can see we have a table. In this table we have 3 columns: name, email, and department. If you see in the name column, names are messy with extra spaces between words, extra spaces at the start of the words. We have to remove them all without any extra effort. So let's start. The first function we will use is trim function. Trim function removes all leading and trailing spaces and reduces the multiple space between words to just one. Let's see how. To do this, we will add a helper column, then type formula trim, give it a cell reference, close the parentheses and hit enter. And you can see that it has removed the extra spaces between words. Now to copy this formula to the end, to cover all your data, just bring your mouse here. Once the plus sign appears, double click, and by doing double click you can see that it has applied to all the data. Now copy this output, paste to the original data as values. And now you can see that by using trim function we have removed all the spaces and our data is arranged. Later on you can clear your helper column. The second method is substitute. Substitute removes all spaces, even ones between words. In some scenarios we have a term where we don't want any kind of space between the words, like email IDs. In this email IDs, we want no space between the full email address. To do it, we will use substitute function. We will add a helper column, type the formula, give it the first cell reference. Now what we want to do, remove space with no. We will add double quotes. First double quote will contain single space and the second double quotes will contain no space, to give function that what we want as a desired output. Hit enter and you can see that email address is arranged without any spaces. Similarly, to apply the effect till end, come here. Once the plus sign appears, double click on this plus sign, your all email IDs will be arranged. To copy it to original data, Ctrl C, come here, paste it as values and you can see that your email address is arranged with the substitute function by removing all extra spaces. Clear this helper column and our data is arranged. The last method is removing the extra spaces between words by using manual method. In this method, we will use the Ctrl H command. If you don't want to use any formula or function and want to remove spaces manually, you can use this. Let's see how. Press Ctrl H on your keyboard. You will see a form. Click on the cell where you want to remove the space. Come here. In the find what field, give it a single space and in replace with the field, leave it blank. Press replace and you can see that the spaces between email address is removed, but this time we have removed it manually. Similarly, you can repeat this function to clear all your data wherever you want. And there you go. 3 powerful methods to clean up unwanted spaces in Excel. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to channel for more Excel tips. Have a question or need help with your data? Drop them in the comments. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next Excel tutorial.